Lisa, you were different, but it never got you down. That cheeky smile, those sparkling eyes, you never wore a frown. Your life was full of obstacles, a mountain there to climb. Though every time we met you, you were having a good time. Lisa, you were different. There were tears you had to hide, but you kept them under cover, never showing the downside. You love to love and be a part of everybody's life, and never thought to mention the torment or the strife. Oh Lisa, you were special, and we never got to say that every time we met you, you brightened up our day. Now you've been taken from us. Why is a mystery? But we often think about you while we're out here on the sea. We hope your final voyage has healed your lifelong scars, and at night we can imagine you dancing with the stars. Oh Lisa, you were special, and we never got to say that every time we met you, you brightened up our day. Yes, Lisa, you were special, oh so special in every way. And every time we met you, you brightened up our day. Lisa, Lisa, you were special, oh so special